Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today I'm taking a look at this pre-owned 2021 Ford F-150. This particular F-150 is an XLT model and it's finished in Antimatter Blue Metallic. And we're going to take a quick walk around the outside of this truck here, then we'll hop into the interior. We'll first start with the front end. This XLT model does have the LED reflector headlights, and you also get the LED fog lights there in that lower bumper. Nice body colored bumper as well, which looks really good. Now, the previous owner of this truck did some very tasteful modifications to this truck. I think this looks absolutely fantastic. Really nice grille here. Do have that kind of Raptor style with the 3 amber lights on top, and then the Ford logo spelled out there in the middle. Looks super good. And there's also a aftermarket hood deflector here as well, which is definitely nice to have, protect against rock chips and bug stains. So definitely a nice addition there. And then we come around to the side. We have a couple more modifications here. We do have a aftermarket fender flare here, which is also body color, which looks fantastic. And another big change here is the wheel and tires. So this is an aftermarket wheel. It's an 18-inch wheel, and it's wrapped in a 35-inch by 12.5 tire. It's a Cooper Discovery AT3 all-terrain tire. Really nice tread there too. Tires look basically brand new. And this truck does have a lift kit on it. And there's a nice little aftermarket fender vent there. This has the factory tow mirror. So you have the marker lights on the side, is a dual convex tow mirror. So you have your fisheye lens on the bottom, and then the standard one up top with the blind spot system. We have a set of window deflectors up here as well on all 4 doors. And then also a set of running boards down there. This is a Super Crew model, so it's the full 4-door, and you have the 5.5-foot bed. And then there's your rear with that nice body colored fender flare, which looks super good. And then those nice all-terrain tires. And there's your rear end here. This is a Rough Country lift kit. I believe it's a 3-inch lift kit. And then there's your LED taillight, which is also an aftermarket taillight, but it does incorporate the factory blind spot system there, which is definitely nice to have. And then come around to the rear end, there's the F-150 inlay there, as well as the body colored rear bumper, which includes the parking sensors, and you have the Class 4 hitch receiver, so you do get that 4 and 7 pin connection. There's your rear view camera, and then opening up the tailgate, that is soft opening. There is a bed mat in here, just kind of protect the bottom of the bed, and also included is this hard trifold tonneau cover. So this isn't also an aftermarket Enthuse tonneau cover, but it's a hard tonneau cover, so it's really secure, and it's definitely nice, for security reasons, and also aerodynamics as well, helps with fuel economy. It's a really nice addition there. And then you have the LED box lighting back here, lots of different tie-down points. And then we'll take a look into the interior of this F-150. Couple more really nice modifications that the previous owner made. Firstly being these seats. So this typically would come with a cloth interior, but the customer did install a katzkin aftermarket leather. And if you know anything about aftermarket leather, you know katzkin is a very reputable company. They have really nice seats, really nice leather material, and it's a really nice color as well. Got the black with the gray sort of insert there, and the red stitching. I think looks fantastic. And this one has the bench configuration, so you can actually seat 6 people in this particular truck here. So again, really nice layout, really nice configuration. These are fully power operated and heated as well for your driver and passenger. So again, really nice aftermarket katzkin leather there. And then even on the door panel, got your soft touch material right there, and of course power controls for everything. And this XLT also has the upgraded 8-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system. So you do have the little B&O logo up there. Really nice sound system. Got lots of storage down there, and also a set of WeatherTech floor liners, and it basically covers the entire floor here. Because we have the bench, it actually goes over the center there as well, so once again fully protected there. Got your headlight controls as well as the electronic parking brake. Now we'll step inside and take a look at the key fob. So this is a keyless fob, and it includes the remote start system as well as the tailgate release right there, and a push button start. This truck is powered by the 5-liter V8 engine, which makes 400 horsepower 410 foot-pounds of torque. Now, something unique about this truck is that the previous owner also fitted this with an aftermarket exhaust system, and it's not just any exhaust system, it is a valved exhaust system. So there actually is a valve in the exhaust system which you can change the loudness. It's operated by this button right down here, and when you push this button, that will actually quiet the exhaust right down, basically to an OEM exhaust, and then you push it in and that will open it up. So it's a super cool little thing there. If you want a louder exhaust, you can push the button and it will open it up. But if you're maybe leaving your house early in the morning, you know, you don't want to wake up the neighbors, you can turn it off and it'll really quiet it down. So super cool thing to have there. But we'll move on to this nice leather wrap steering wheel. Got your cruise control over here with lane keeping system, and then get your volume. And then on the right side, there's controls for the center gauge cluster screen right there, and then various different, you know, track and phone buttons as well. In the middle, you're going to find the 12-inch Sync 4 display, and this includes all of your Sirius XM. So you have satellite radio, got your Bluetooth right there, built-in navigation system. There's also wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have various different settings in here, and you know, some key features as well. So really nice screen, high resolution, and it's a 12-inch screen, so it's a nice size. It's really easy to use there. And then moving down here, you got your climate control, which is a dual zone automatic system, and it includes your heated seats. We got rear defrost, which also works for the heated mirrors. So really nice. And then you've got your 4-wheel drive settings over here, which includes 4 high and 4 low, and you even get a locking rear differential, so you get a little bit of added traction there. And then off to the right side, there's a 400-watt inverter outlet. You get 12-volt, keep everything charged up there, as well as a dual glove box. So there is lots of additional storage. And again, you have the bench configuration, so if you don't need that extra person, you can keep this down, and there is some storage right here, but this is easily liftable, and you do have that, you know, third seat up front. And another cool really option that was fitted from the factory, and it's quite rare on an XLT, is the fact that we have the twin panel panoramic sunroof. So you do have controls for that right up there. And then taking a look into the rear seat of this F-150, and this is the Super Crew model, so this is going to be the largest cab that's available for these F-150s, and definitely the most popular. And just like the front, the aftermarket leather is also in the rear, so you get that katzkin leather back here. Again, really nice material. And there's even some nice suede kind of on the bolster of the seat, which I think looks super cool, and it helps with, you know, cornering and that kind of thing. So really nice. These also lift up, and there's a completely flat load floor. So if you happen to load, maybe you have tools to put back here, maybe you have a pet, you can load your dog back here, no problem at all. So really nice. And they also have the Ford floor liners back here, so nice rubber floor mats for the rear. And again, it kind of covers the entire, you know, thing back here, so it's fully protected. And there even is some additional divided storage there just in behind. And there's also USB and 12-volt back here, so you can keep everything charged up, as well as a set of cup holders. And again, being your Super Crew model, you get lots of space back here. Get a nice view of that panoramic sunroof. So if you're interested in this particular 2021 F-150 that is for sale here at MacPhee Ford, you can either give us a call or you can visit our website at macpheeford.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.